What is it, Zachary? Ball? Zachary, it's a ball. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? What is that, Lego, Maya? Uh-oh. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Boom. Oh. Uh-oh, Maya. No, no, no. Wow. Uh-oh, Maya. Not uh-oh, no. I'm in your spot, I will move.
Come on, pumpkin. Come on, you have a wet diaper.
You can sit here, Juliana. Is it more comfortable here?
Look at him, he's throwing the ball.
Yeah. Uh-oh, Zachary, you're playing with the ball?
No, you get some booty? Oh,
What?
God.
What?
Maya?
Maya, are you playing doctor?
Yes. She's gonna check your blood pressure.
Yeah.
Your heart. Checks of the heart.
Yeah, yesterday Abigail was playing doctor with Safta. Did we play doctor, Abigail? Abigail? Did we play doctor yesterday? Hey, I'm asking you a question. Did we play doctor yesterday? Thank you, Maya. Here, Maya. Shh, shh.
He's fun with balls.
Okay, here's a boy.
Come on, Judy, come on. Maya?
Maya, if you don't want your diaper changed, you should go in the potty. That would be so nice if you went in a potty. Are you cooking, Maya? Mmm. Tastes so good.
Cooking soup?
Zachary, you're playing ball? Are you playing ball?
Come on, sweetie. Come on, sweetie.
Maya.
You have your toys. Mister?
I'm going to see. Don't worry.
He's hungry.
Zachary.
Oh, she had poop. That's why it's hanging. Oh. Good.
Zachary. Zachary, I'm going to catch you. 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 Are you playing ball?
Now we catch them. Wait a little bit. They run. We're not gonna catch them. We're not gonna be able to run behind you.
Zachary, I'm going to catch you. Where's the ball? Zachary, where's the ball? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Boom. Uh-oh. Okay, where did it go? Okay, go and get the ball. It's right there. Go and get it. You get it. The chair is not in your way. Go and get the ball. What? Here's the ball. Zachary, here's the ball.